about job market in North America, and that is the surge in construction jobs and its impact on unemployment rates. The construction industry is booming, creating countless opportunities for skilled and unskilled workers alike. This growth is a significant factor in driving unemployment rates down. It is offering stability and growth for many. Now is an excellent time to consider a career in construction. The industry is not only hiring, but it is a great place to learn from experienced professionals. Whether you're just starting out or looking to switch careers, the construction field offers a wealth of knowledge and hands-on experience. So if you're looking for a dynamic and rewarding career path, think about joining the construction industry. It's a chance to build a solid future and contribute to the thriving infrastructure of our communities. Thanks for listening, and here's to building a brighter future together.